Hey, it's Dr. Sam Ertl from Living Well Chiropractic. I'd like to talk with y'all about sciatica today. It's a very common pain issue that people have, and it can be quite severe. And I've had it before. I know what it feels like. And chiropractic has helped me a ton with sciatica. And we got a lot of patients around here that will say the same thing. What are the most common things that people do to deal with sciatica? The most common thing that people do is they try to take drugs to cover up the pain. Things like the NSAIDs, the non-steroidal anti-inflammatories you can get over the counter, or heat or cold therapy to try to lower inflammation. If that doesn't work, a lot of times people will go to their medical doctor and they might prescribe anti-inflammatory drugs to artificially cover up the inflammation. And if that doesn't work, they might move into the shots, the anti-inflammatory steroidal shots that they inject into the spine like an epidural.
Oh, no!
And if that doesn't alleviate the patient's symptoms, then they may move on to surgeries, and they'll do a lot of different kinds of surgeries that are all, once you've had a surgery, you can't undo it. They might go in there and cut off part of the disc. They might go in there and remove part of the bone, or oftentimes they'll put metal bolts and screws in the spine to bolt it down to hopefully keep it from getting worse. And
help?
I see a lot of those people. Those people can still see a chiropractor. A lot of them still have pain after those kinds of surgeries and whatnot. But those are the most common things people do. A lot of people go to a chiropractor. It might be a good idea. That's something we see a lot of here, and we love helping people with that. So come check us out. We'll see you soon.